This is a fantastic dish. It's inspired by Sicilian cuisine. We're making a pasta dish. I'm using angel hair pasta today, adding tuna in olive oil and finishing it off with a delicious crumb, which is breadcrumbs with pancetta and thyme. First of all, I want to get my olive oil nice and warm, and I can smell the lovely aromas coming from the pan now. Garlic in the pan. This is all pretty quick. You want to stir constantly to ensure your garlic doesn't burn. So once you have that lovely fragrance from the pan, we're ready to add the tuna. So tuna in olive oil. My preferred brand is Safcol for ethical reasons, and it's a sustainable choice. Leave the olive oil in, don't drain it. It's full of nutrients and adds lots of extra flavour to the finished dish. So you need to work really quickly here, and this is where this is a great midweek dinner. Lemon zest, fresh lemon zest in the pan, and some fresh chilli. So long red chilli, I've de-seeded this one, but if you want a bit more heat, you can absolutely leave the seeds in. Make sure you get rid of the membrane though, get rid of the bitterness in the chilli. Our fresh pasta, angel hair pasta, but you can use any pasta of your choice. This is 400 grams, so it's certainly going to feed a family. I've reserved a little of the cooking water, which I will add in a minute. It will just help to loosen up the pasta, and it's really great to have the extra starch from the reserved water rather than just adding boiling water from your kettle. So make sure you always keep some of that pasta water. So we'll add a little of that now just to loosen up the dish. So toss everything through, really bring everything up from the bottom of the pan, all those lovely flavours. Parsley, freshly chopped Italian parsley. And add some lemon juice and season with freshly cracked black pepper and sea salt. This looks and smells wonderful. Ready to plate up now. Grab some long tongs and just for a little extra effect or theatre, turn your bowl for a lovely, nice high pile of pasta. Now we'll finish it with some extra virgin olive oil drizzled on top, a good grinding of freshly cracked black pepper, our crumb. So the crumb I made in advance. You can do this the day before if you like. Preheated oven, fresh breadcrumbs, some pancetta and fresh thyme, and then just store it in an airtight container. This crumb will add beautiful depth of flavour and a lovely texture to your finished dish. Some fresh thyme on top. This lovely Sicilian inspired dish is now ready to feed the family.